Hello guys, this is a conversion system I created earlier on. So all it does is just convert whatever number you enter in there to binary, hexadecimal, decimal and octal. So you see that. So let's say we change that to maybe 90. There, you can clear it and try out another value right there. So what I would do now is to take you guys straight into C# development environment, and you see I've put one of these together. So let's go into C# now. Welcome to C# tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be developing a binary converter. So let's start by clicking on new project. Make sure C# is selected and select Windows Forms application, and let's give it a name. So in there I'm going to call it C# binary converter. There. Okay, the next thing is to define my interface and add 8 labels. Let's say it's about that. Add 8 labels and 3 buttons with 1 text box. There we go guys. I have my 8 labels, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and if I add this, making 10 in total, and there's 1 text box there. And I also have 3 buttons. Okay, now first of all start by double clicking on the exit and just enter application dot exit. There, that's taken care of. The next one is to clear. So let's say LBL binary dot text equals clear, and we'll repeat the same thing for the other component. There should be a comma there, right, a column. Yep. LBL decimal, then LBL hexadecimal, LBL octal. Then let's go for TXT convert. There. So that 5 lines of code will take care of the reset. All clear. Now let's come in here. Now the next thing is to double click on the conversion bit. Double click on that, and right there I'm going to declare the following variable. Num, I'm going to call it num convert or converter equals int pers integer dot pers. There we go. And what I want inside that will be the text box itself, txt convert dot text, and right here enter a semicolon. I've actually defined my variable. That's my variable there, and the data type is integer, and here whatever I have inside this text box is assigned to this very data variable. Okay, now let's go for LBL decimal dot text equals convert, right there, dot to string. And what are we converting? We are actually converting the number right there. Number converts. Paste that in there, comma 2, because is base 2. Now the other one, let's go for LBL. As for the decimal, let's get that out of the way, so we don't have to do anything with the decimal than just to assign the same number, this very value, whatever is in there equals paste that in there. Then we have to convert it to string and entire parentheses there. Now let's go for lblx.text. In the case of lblx decimal, that's actually base 16, so I'm going to copy that and change that to 16. Undo that, undo again, I meant to copy. Now paste it in there and change the 2 to 16. Now lbl octal dot text equals, and that will be base 8. So just paste all of that in there, delete that, and change this to 8. And that's all there is to it. That's how you write your program or create a program of binary converter. That's it right there. So if I run it, let's save it first, run. Now the program is ready. Let's enter some value in there. Just click on convert, you see that. So that's the binary equivalent. The decimal is right there, and that is for the hexadecimal and the octals. So let's try another one. Let's go for 90 right there. Okay, so with that, guys, I'll call it the end of this program. I suppose you all enjoyed it. So let's give this a try. Oh yeah, that works.